Hi guys, got a nice machine in today. It's a HP 15. The exact model is a CW1500SA. Now the issue it's got an issue with a loud fan. So I have no idea. Well, apparently it's a fan, but this is the noise it's making. So have a listen to this. That does sound like the fan, doesn't it? But I mean, it comes on, it's all running as you can see, it's running sweet. So should we just have a quick look inside and see what's going on? It's pretty loud. Let me show you how to get the device apart. First thing we need is a screwdriver. I've got one here. If you're not sure where the screws go, you can make a template, and if you look in one of the corners of the video, you'll see what I've done on a previous video, and that's how I do my templates. So that way you don't lose your screws. Just check underneath these tabs. Sometimes I can't remember if there is screws or not. I know these two have got screws. There you go, there's one, and they're quite sticky, so if you struggle to get these off, you need to probably get a bit of alcohol, put it through, or a hairdryer, just to warm it up a little bit, just to soften the bonding, and then it will come away. Now you've got 3 screws. I don't know why they haven't put one on that side. You would have thought they would have put one there just to make it stronger for the hinges, but they haven't. So let's have a quick look. And you need something kind of sharpish to get in between the base cover and the palm rest. So, and you can see that's just popping off there, nice and easy. All that gunk in there as well. Oh, there's one screw there. Okay, there's obviously a clip in there somewhere. Okay, as you can see, there you go. And oh, that's disgusting. There's a lot of dust in there, so let's have a listen. I thought it was the sound was coming out the speakers, but I wasn't not entirely sure. Now, I've had a machine in before where there was something stuck around where the fan is, and it was someone dropped something on it, and it was a bit of I think it was a sweet or something hardened, and it was touching the blades, and that's what was making the noise. But this one, I don't know. So let's have a quick look. Let's just power it up as well. And I can't hear a thing, absolutely nothing. So I think that we may have okay, can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but if you look, when I put the okay, so I'm confirming that it is the fan. Now watch. There you go. Quiet, and then it'll kick on again in a minute. So the machine is still running. Now, is the fan damaged, or does it just need taking apart and cleaning? So let's have a quick look. I'm going to shut the machine down. Don't want to. Okay, I'm going to shut the machine down. I don't want to disclose the person's name or anything at this point, or any point for that matter. Okay, and let's just take this. Now you've got 3 screws for the fan. You've got 1, 2, 3, and then you've got the cable that powers the fan just there, and it just says fan on there. So you can't give it a little push down, a bit of weight on it, on the screw. Okay, so this should just lift out. I reckon there's a lot of junk in there. Yeah, quite a bit. So what I'm going to do is, if you've got one of these or something that's got some good pressure, and clean the blades out, which I'm going to do now. I've got a compressor which I use. You know, you've got these brushes as well. You can, you know, I'm going to use my electric compressor, and that will really make a big difference. See, there you go, you see all the junk coming out there. Just give it a quick wipe, make it look like new. I'm not sure if that's going to work. It's possible that the blades have given up and the motor's knackered, and when you put pressure on it, that's when the problem starts. So let's just plug it in and see what's what. Okay, let's fire up. Although the noise has gone, I'm still hearing a little bit. It's not as loud as before, but I would prefer to replace this fan. I'm not entirely happy with. I mean, if it was on my own machine, I'd say, right, okay, let it go, but it's not mine. Ah, there you go. Did you hear that? Right, yeah, this, as I said, I think the fan's failed. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. I'm not sure if I've got one in stock. I'll just check. Right, guys, the fan's arrived, and it's the right part number. I mean, there's a part number there as well. The Dell part numbers are different. They have their own part number, but it is exactly the same thing. So let's put the cable in, like so, and now we can just put the screws back in, just one by one. Oh, I've got the wrong screw. Which one is it? No, it's the silver one, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so let's put that one in. Or was it the silver ones? I don't know. Silver, I'm sure the black ones were in there, and the silver one might be one. No, it is silver one. Sorry, I should look at my video, shouldn't I? And have a look. But okay, that's fine. That one's in. Yeah, you probably think, oh, you test it first before powering it up. Waste time screwing them, putting the screws in. No, it's fine. It'll work. I'm sure it will. Right, let's fire her up. There you go. Perfectly working. Smooth as a whistle. So there you go. I'll end the video now, and hopefully you liked the video and it helped you out fixing your own device. Well, take care. Till the next one. See ya.